Alright, Droid turbo fixed, power button, with the old school Motorola, this thing. One of those. Fixed it with that. Pulled it off the board. Right here. Right there. Got a little dial for focus. Yeah. Anyway, I put it on this board of the Droid Turbo. I've kept looking and looking and looking and seeing if there's anybody that's done anything. I hadn't seen nothing from nobody. But as you can see, I got it back on and I'm using it right now. Just to show you that I am actually using it and I got it on. So, pretty proud of myself. You guys think it's pretty cool? I don't know. Like it? Thanks.